You take the lens cover off. That makes it look stupid. There we go. Lens cover's off. That's better. I used to have a grill right here that I'd set the camera on while I was recording, and it's gone. I might have to get a new table or something, but we'll worry about that another time. There is a lot of light leakage around here, a lot of light, but the video is unbelievable. There we go. Oh, my flight timer works. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna do some very basic flight tests here. Just go along here, make sure, check range. I'm just in angle mode now. I want to check, let's see, my channel looks good. I'm on channel 5. I have 4 bars. Latency is still good. So far I don't notice any latency. So there I'm starting to get a little bit of breakup or on the edges. But so there's my 250 meter mark, which is where I generally consider my basis, like for any quality at all. 25 milliwatts won't make it this far. 200 should make it this far without any problem. If I go a little faster. So there, I'm still in angle mode because I want my bailout option available. There we go. All right. That looks amazing. All right. So the switch, I have my voltage. Let's see, I'm gonna have to do math. One thing I missed from beta flight, it doesn't show me my per cell voltage. So what do I want to get down to? Say 13, 14 is my minimum. So we're in angle mode now. So like I said, this is a brand new drone. I have not done any performance testing on it at all. I've not done any PID tuning. This is right out of the box, but I kind of just put this together. This is air mode is Betaflight 3.2. So this does work in Betaflight 3.2. It does not require 4.2 just to work. The new protocol from DJI requires 4.2. I think it's 4.2. But you can fly on whatever you want. I'm in S-Bus and it works, and I have just simply, I love the clear quality in the middle. And around the edges, I can see just a tiny bit of blurring. You'll be able to see it too. But now I don't have a lot of pitch here. I just kind of put this together. I haven't flown. Have I flown this year? I have not. I don't think I've even flown this year. So I'm going to be rusty. But you know what? It is like riding a bike. I rode a bike the other day, and I haven't ridden a bike in I don't know how long. So where are we at? 14.9 volts. I mean, for out of the box. Oh gosh. All right. Are there any golfers? I want the golf course. I hear the helicopter. Oh, there are golfers. All right, fine. I'll stay here. So what about flying in front of the house? I did the test earlier. I get just a teeny tiny, oh, there we go, just a little bit of extra breakup. So it doesn't go through houses well. Oh, I saw in the corner the channel signal strength went down. What if I slow it down? Slow it down and go around the house. There, oh, I had my first pause there. I had a little bit of a pause. Oh, low signal strength. So through the house, I mean, it's as good as a regular drone on 600 milliwatts. That's what I'd say. It's not revolutionary at all, at least not through the middle of my house. The big difference is right here. The quality is just really good. Got a little bit of oscillations here, mid-throttle oscillations. I don't have enough camera pitch right now. Now I don't notice latency at all. I don't have enough camera pitch to even do a full speed run. That's not bad though. That's an easy fix. So the golfers are on that end now, so I can have it just detail like I haven't had. Now the feel of the controller, it feels like the X9D. I don't know if it doesn't feel like the X9D SE. I wonder if those thumb sticks would move right over. It's mainly they're small. They're small like the regular X9D SE or X9D, but if I put the SE sticks on it, I wonder if they would just fit. That I'm curious of. Golfers are just going to be busy out here today. Alright, so I don't want to impede. I go over here. Oh, there are golfers there. Shoot. Okay. Oops. I'll stay away from them. Yeah, a lot of prop wash. Not tuned at all, but man, it's nice. All right, 14 volts. I'm gonna bring this down and try another one. Gosh, look how clear that is. Oh, a little too much. All right, record. It stopped recording when I turned off the throttle. That's interesting. I didn't know it would do that. I wonder if that's a setting for that. Huh, interesting. Now it does not fit on the top of my head. I can't just stick it up there like I can regular goggles. That's a little bit annoying. Okay, so I plugged it back in. It bound right up. It reconnected. Everything looks good in the goggles. Yeah, everything was easy, the way I would expect it to be. I tried to give it a little more camera angle. We'll see if that works. I mean, when it's sitting there, it's absolutely spectacular. Just unbelievable. Go straight to air mode. Gosh, this thing's fast. Plenty, I mean, compared to my, there we go, full speed. That's not bad. That's not bad. I don't notice, I don't notice any latency at all. I don't notice anything. Compared to the OcuSync when I had that, it's night and day different. This is, and clarity compared to most of the analog is really good. Really, really good. But I still, unfortunately there are people here and I can't test. I want the golfers to be gone. And this time of year, it takes a lot for that to happen. Because I want to test flying around basically the golf course. And I can't do that with them out there. So this is kind of a comparison, like you see lots of videos like this over the years on this channel. There, I can actually see the line. It's right there with the swing set where the quality difference is. I think it's really clever though. I'm gonna end up in the pond. Oh, that would stink. So around the house, a little disappointing. A lot of breakup, a lot of channel drop. See, look at that. Now I'm using 5 gigahertz in my house. I'm going to try some other spots, but flying through houses does not work as well as I had hoped it would. I was hoping for some reason it would just go through. Yeah, so much prop wash. Need PIDs, but it's fun to fly anyway. And needs more camera angle, but that's an easy fix. All right, I'm gonna call this good. I'm very happy with this drone. I'm very happy with the video. I'm happy with the range in the backyard. It's as good as the 600 milliwatts, 400 milliwatts, I would say, without any doubt. Is it as good or much better miraculously than everything else? I'm going to say I doubt it, unfortunately. If I can get the golfers to go, are they gone? I mean, yeah, I can't risk it. All right, I'm gonna go out this evening and fly somewhere I've flown before with lots of trees that I can fly through and see how it goes there. That's what I want to do. I'm just poking around here. All right, oh gosh. So what I have to do is go back to analog for comparison because it's been a while. But oh man, I really like the control out of this thing. It's pretty quick. Yeah, it's real quick. That's a good camera angle on it, I think.
like it. I wonder how fast it is.
Easy to hover this thing when there's such little camera angle. All right, there I am.